Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start with chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Let's start with the introduction part. In our day to day life, there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. They may be heights, weights, salary, marks, and many more things of any two or more than two persons. While comparing heights of two persons with heights 150 centimeter and 75 centimeter, we write it as the ratio 150 ratio 75 or 2 ratio 1. So let's discuss what is ratio. Ratio is the method of comparing two or more quantities of the same kind, means having same unit, by division. To make the concept more clear, let's take an example. Suppose that income of Mohan and Ram are rupees 25,000 and rupees 20,000 per month respectively. Find the ratio of Mohan's income to Ram's income. So, in the solution, we are required to find the ratio of Mohan's income to Ram's income. Whenever we are calculating the ratio of any two quantities, the first appears are supposed to be considered as the numerator and the later one as the denominator. So, our Mohan's income will be our numerator and Ram's income will be our denominator. So, required ratio is Mohan's income upon Ram's income. Mohan's income is given to us equals to 25,000 and Ram's income as 20,000. So, our answer in the ratio is to be expressed in the simplest or in the lowest term when its terms do not have a common factor except 1. So, we will express 25,000 as well as 20,000 in the lowest form, which comes out to be equals to 5 ratio 4, where this 5 is known as the first term or antecedent and 4 is called the second term or consequent. Our next topic is equivalent ratio. A ratio obtained by multiplying or dividing both the terms of a given ratio by the same non-zero number is called an equivalent ratio. So, let's start with exercise 8.1. Our first question is, find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paisa. Whenever we are calculating the ratio, the most important thing which is to be kept in the mind is the unit of both the quantities should be same. In this case, one is in rupees and the other one is in paisa. So, we will convert the rupees into paisa. You all know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. So, 5 rupee is equals to 100 multiplied by 5 paisa. It comes out to be equals to 500 paisa. Now we will calculate the ratio of 500 paisa to 50 paisa. So required ratio is equals to 500 upon 50. This 0 goes with this 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 tens are 50. So our required ratio is 10:1. We have to express the answer in ratio because they have asked us the ratio. So correct answer is 10:1. Our next question is 6 bowls cost rupees 90. Means the cost of 6 bowls is rupees 90. What would be the cost of 10 such bowls? We have to calculate the cost of 10 bowls. Let's start with the solution part. Cost of 6 bowls given to me equals to rupees 90. First of all, we will calculate the cost of one bowl. So, cost of one bowl is equals to rupees. Whenever we are calculating anything for 1, we will divide it. So, it's 90 upon 6 will give me the cost of one bowl. But in the question, I have to calculate the cost of 10 bowls. But when we have to calculate for more number of quantities, we will multiply it. So rupees 90 upon 6 multiply by 10. Now both this 90 and 6 are divisible by 2. So it's 3 and this one is 45. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 15s are 45. So cost of 10 bowls is equals to rupees 15 multiplied by 10, that is equals to rupees 150. So therefore cost of 10 such bowls, cost of 10 bowls is equals to rupees 150. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.